Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and safe at home. Children, now we are going to discuss EVS chapter 13, Directions and Time. Okay, so now you all take your EVS book, turn to page number 97. Okay, say the title, children. Directions and Time. Okay, so what is direction? Let us discuss now. Okay. Now look here, children. Now you are going to guide someone to reach the school from our home. Okay, now you are going to tell the direction how to reach the school from our home. Okay, children, are you all ready? So now we are going to tell the direction to someone. Okay, so now we are all in our home. Okay, so how we tell the direction is first go straight. Likewise we tell, isn't it? Go straight. After we tell turn left. We tell, isn't it? Then we tell turn right. Then we tell turn left. After what happened? That person reached the school, isn't it? So, like this, we all tell the directions to someone, isn't it, children? So, what is directions? Direction is used to find the location of a particular place or a thing. Or you all understand, children? What is direction? Direction is used to find the location of a particular place or a thing. Okay, now we all understand what is directions is. Now you all turn to page 97 in your book. Take your pencil, children. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks using the words left, right, front or back. Here one picture is given now. Now we are going to write the answer. Okay, through this picture now we are going to write the direction. The milk carton is on right of the glass. So you all take your pencil, write, children, write R-I-G-H-T. Okay, look at here. Here milk carton is there, isn't it? So milk carton is on the right of the glass. This is the glass. Okay, next look. The pastry is on the dash of the bread. Here, this is the pastry. Okay, so here is bread is there. Okay, so the pastry is on the front of the bread. We have to write front. F-R-O-N-T, front. Then look at the third sentence, children. The chicken leg is in dash of the chicken. So here you have to look, okay, where is the chicken leg? Here. Okay, so chicken leg is in front of the chicken. Here chicken. Okay, so you have to write front. F-R-O-N-T, front. Okay, next sentence. The cake is at the dash of the bread. You have to write back. See here, children, the cake is there, isn't it? So you have to write the cake is at the back of the bread. Okay, you have to write back. B-A-C-K, back. Or you all understand, children, what is direction? So direction is nothing but is used to find the location of a particular place or a thing. Okay, in before we all discussed how to find the location of a place. Okay, here we are all discussed how to find the location of a things. Okay, children, or you all understand? Yes. So now we are going to discuss, okay, how we find the direction. Now we are going to discuss how we can find the directions. Okay, so some help us to find directions. Okay, now we are going to discuss that. So look here. Look at your book, children. When you are sitting in the classroom, the board is in front of you. Now we all imagine, children, you are all sitting in your classroom. Okay, this is your benches, imagine. So now you are sitting in classroom. So your board is in, where it takes place, your board. So your board takes place in front of you. Or you will understand, children? Now look at the second sentence. There are children sitting on your left and your right. There may be children sitting behind you also. Thus front, back, right and left are the four sides. So take your pencil, children, underline there are four sides. Okay, front, back, right and left. We have to underline these four sides. Okay, so now, in your class, so many children are sitting with you, isn't it, children? So you are all sitting with your friends in your class, isn't it? So your friend is sitting in the left side means you tell my friend is sitting in my left side. Okay, when your another friend is sitting with you in right side means you tell my friend is sitting in my right side. Okay, so likewise you tell no. So now you all imagine you are sitting in the class and then we are discussing these lessons. Okay, so if you all imagine when you are all sitting in the class, then surely it will understand what is directions. Okay, so you are sitting in this classroom, so your board is in your front. Okay, your board is in front of you, isn't it? So if you are sitting in the middle side benches means some friends are sitting in left side, some friends are sitting in right side. Okay, or you will understand front, left, right, back. Or you will understand? Yes. Now you are all turn to page number 98, children. The sun and the directions. The sun help us to find directions. So note the point, children. Sun. Okay, now we are all discussed. Sun help us to find the directions, isn't it? So another example to find the direction, sun. Okay, the sun help us to find direction. The sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. Children, how to find the east, west, south and north? Let us discuss now. Okay, if you go to your park in the morning and stand facing the sun, then east is in front of you, west is at your back. Your left hand will point towards the north. Your right hand will point towards the south. Thus the four directions are north, east, west and south. Or you will understand, children, if you imagine you are all standing in front of the sun. Okay, so east is in front of you. Okay, that sun rises, no, that is east. Okay. So west is at your back. So that sun rises in your back, no, when you're facing the sun at morning means. Okay, sun sets in the west, isn't it? So that is your back side. Okay, so or you will understand how to find the east and west. So if you're standing before the sun. Okay, so front is your east, back is your west. Your left hand will point towards the north. Okay, so if you're so how to find the north? Your left hand will point towards the north. Okay, so when you're facing the sun, okay, so on the time your left hand will point to the north. Okay, your right hand will point out toward the south. Or you'll understand. So now you all take your pencil, underline, children. There are four directions: north, east, west and south. Okay, so next we are going to discuss time. The sun helps us to get an idea of time. The sun rises in the morning. Few hours later, the sun appears high in the sky. This time of day is called the noon. So in the noon time, what will happen, children? So the sun takes place in the middle of the sky. Okay, so it will appear middle of the sky. Okay, on the time we will find the time, that is 12 o'clock. Okay, children, after a few hours the sun starts coming down and begins to set. This time of day is called the evening. Okay, few hours later the sun sets, the moon and stars appears in the sky. This time of day is called night. Or you will understand through the help of sun how to find the time. Or you will understand. Yes. The next day again begins with the sunrise. The calendar tells us the days and dates. Okay? Yes. Now you all turn to page number 99. This is your homework, children. Look at the calendar and write which day the given dates fall on in this year. Okay, so you go and see your calendar in your home. Okay, 1st January, what is the day? You have to write. 7th May, you have to write that day alone. Okay, 16th October, write the day alone. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday or Saturday. You have to write that. Okay, children, is now look here. So now look here, children, map. A map is drawing of the earth on a flat surface. Okay, so a map tells us information about the world in a simple and in a visual way. Okay, children, they tell about the world by sizes, shape of countries and location of features and distance between the each places. Okay, that's all, children. Chapter 13 is over, children. Now we are going to do the book exercises. Before that, we are going to recall that every points in chapter 13. Okay, so what is direction? Direction is used to find the location of a particular place or a thing. Okay, children, or you will understand the direction is. So now what is time? So through the sun, it will also help to find the time. Okay, so there are 4 directions: front, back, right and left, and also with the help of our sun, there are 4 directions: east, west and north and south. Okay, or you will understand. So mainly you have to keep it in mind. There are 4 sides: front, back, right and left. Okay, and also the sun helps us to find the directions. The 4 directions are north, south, west and east. Okay, there are 4 sides. You have to keep it in mind: front, back, right and left. Okay, direction, 4 direction means north, south, west and east. Okay, and also a map shows the earth on a flat surface. So the map only tells us information about the world in a simple visual way. Okay. Okay, and also when we come to the calendar, okay, it divides the days into years, months, weeks and days. Okay, now we all turn to page number 100. Take your pencil. So now look at here, children. Take the correct answer. The sun helps us to get an idea of the time. Tick. Okay. When the sun sets, it is the evening. You have to tick evening. The dash tell us about the days and dates. Calendar. A leap year comes after every 4 years. You have to tick this. Okay, children. Next one. Fill in the blanks. Second one. At a dash time, the sun is over our head. Noon. Third, the sun sets in the, write it, children, west, W-E-S-T. The dash help us to find directions. Write sun, S-U-N. The sun help us to find directions. Next one, write T for true and F for false statement. There are 3 sides. False, you have to put F. Second sentence, the day begins at sunrise. Is, you have to put T for true. Third sentence, the calendar has 10 months. False. You have to put false. Fourth one, a clock tells us the time in hours and minutes. You have to put T for true. Okay? Yes, that's all, children. True or false is over. Now we are going to do fill in the blanks to complete the names of the given months. So first month is January. Write the letter. Second one, April. A-P-R-A-L. August. A-U-G-U-S-T. Last one, November. N-E-V-E-M-B-E-R. Are you all finished? Yes, write it neatly, children. We have to do, children, change the position of the hands of the clock to 12 a.m. Okay, so here 9 is given, isn't it? So you have to put the numbers in the places. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here 9. So now we are going to do change the 9 to 12. So you have to do like this. Okay. You all turn to page number 102. The time at 12 midnight will be 12 a.m. We have to take 12 a.m. Okay. That's all, children. Book exercises is over for chapter 13. So do all the book exercises neatly. Okay. Yes. We will see in next class. Thank you all. Stay home. Be safe.